Morning guys, welcome to Zimmer Motoring and welcome to day 3. We're now heading back from Amsterdam to England. So cars are started, everyone's in their cars and we're about to get going.
There goes George.
And after 3, say 1, 2, 3.
Come on, alright.
Audi R8 2, A45 0.
Look at R8 go.
Silky beat.
So guys, quick fuel stop before our main lunch break. But that was epic. The race between the R8 versus C43, then the two R8 V10 pluses, then the R8 versus the A45 with 440 horsepower. What a petrol station takeover. So quick fuel stop and we jump back in the cars and go again. So guys, we've now just parked up for lunch in an underground parking. Some of the cars are outside, so we're just gonna stop off and get some burgers for lunch, and then after that we're then gonna head off straight to Calais to catch our Channel Tunnel train. So yeah, R8 looking good under the lights. Silver really works. Obviously this is a plus, so it comes with the carbon fiber rear wing, a standard carbon fiber side blades, but you can also option to have these painted if you want. Carbon mirrors, and yeah, it's got a carbon splitter, front splitter, and this car obviously in silver, and you got that naturally aspirated V10 engine right there.
Bentayga versus R8. Sharon in the M140 is gone.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Missed the gear again.
Round 2, M3 versus R8 V8.
You ready? Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Come on R8! Ho ho! Come on R8! Oh, watch out. Wow. M3 got that. M3 is the victor. And the A45 is right there.
Okay guys, they go on 3, yeah? 1, 2, 3.
Both along.
So guys, that is it. Unfortunately, we are now on the train and the others have managed to miss it. I find it quite strange that the others didn't make the train because there's a lot of space. The two R8s managed to make it and the white Bentley. So we're now back in England. We're just going to meet up at the services and say our final goodbyes. Right guys, that is the end of the Performance Tours trip to Amsterdam. We all just got back here, giving the walkie-talkies back to Simon, and everyone's now going back home, and hopefully they arrive back to their houses safe and sound. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video, and hope you enjoyed these 3 videos in total of the Amsterdam trip. So make sure you follow at Performance Tours on Instagram, and make sure you check out the website Performance Tours for upcoming trips. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. See you soon.